So today I tried something different, which is not getting up immediately out of my bed when I wake up, which I tried in the past, and just to see if the hiccup would stay away or would it start, and it actually stayed away until I got out the bed. Obviously, I had to get up to eat, so I actually got up. I ate up. Actually had to use the toilet first. Had to number two. When I sat on the toilet, I got a few hiccups. Went downstairs and had a bowl of cereal, honey bunches of oats, trying to eat those more cereal on the healthier side. Um, I had a few hiccups, probably total about seven, eight, nine, or ten this morning. And then I came back and laid in bed. I laid in bed till I forgot, but after 12, I believe, I think around 12, and as soon as I got up again, I can feel like whatever is in my stomach, like the gas and stuff, like it's settled, and as always, a burp came out, and the hiccup started. In the past, I did it before, where I stayed in bed. My fiance actually helped me. Actually, he actually brought something for me to pee in and everything, so that I didn't get up and hit that also. The hiccup also stayed away. So I don't know. I messaged the doctor again today because it's over a year now with these hiccups, and it's tiring, it's frustrating, it's punishing. Excuse me. Uh, yeah, every so often I gotta spit because it just brings up saliva and stuff. And after I eat, it gets worse. So when it first started, it was like one hiccup every 2 to 3 seconds, and after I ate lunch, it got like this. Or you see, I get multiple hiccups like in less than second back to back. Then I get that little pause for like a second or two, and then it starts again. For some reason, right now I've been getting it's been coming up a lot. And sometimes it does this double thing where it's like bum bum, two hiccups. So I don't know, but today's April 15th, I believe, April 14th. So I'm gonna start recording what's happening and what's going on. Um, the doctors want me to do a vagus nerve stimulator in my body, and that the the side effects of that is crazy. Um, and I tried a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff. I tried everything they suggested, even Reglan. I believe that is a high risk of me getting something like a mini stroke, and like they say, I can leave with my head stuck to one side, either in a position that's irreversible. I tried a lot of stuff. Ketamine infusion, I tried that 3 times. They would try that to reset my body. That didn't help. Um, I tried left phrenic nerve block, right phrenic nerve block. None of that help. Have seen many specialists. Have tried this breathing thing that's supposed to like numb inside. I drank this thing that's supposed to try to numb inside. Nothing work. Over 30 medications. Nothing work. All it did was mess me up more with my energy level, mess up my memory. At points I was like feel lost. At points I feel lost, like I'm just walking around like a zombie. It's been a year with these hiccups, and I do, I did have some breaks. I got the longest was like almost 8 days, like 7 and 3/4 days, and that's the longest break I ever had. I had several times where it went away for 5 days. The last time it went away, man, I really thought that was it. I felt that was the first time I felt like super normal. I didn't have any hiccup those days. It was gone until the day it came back. In the past, when it went away, I would get one or two hiccup after like the second or third or fourth day, but that 5 days was like super awesome. But now it's back, and things that hiccup cause, like acid burn. I never experienced acid heartburn before, and when it comes, it's from all the way to my throat to the bottom of my stomach. I take all kind of thing. I have Rolaids, I have Tums. I try all kind of stuff, um, and they help for like 30 minutes or so, and the acid burn comes back. Um, can't catch my breath sometimes with the hiccup for like around 30 seconds, and I would throw up sometimes. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just tired of it. I'm at the end and tired of these doctors saying just hang in there, Ryan. I've been hanging in there for over a year now, and I'm not getting any better. So this is just an update of my hiccup. Um, I'll probably do another video again tomorrow. Intractable hiccups. That's what they're calling it. Or is it that? I mean, look at my stomach. It's ridiculous how it's moving. Excuse me. Every so often I gotta spit. It just, stuff just comes up to my throat, my mouth. Really gross. Sorry about that.